Morning, everybody. Yep, I'm going to the photographers and video show at the London XL. Gonna have a look, see what toys, see what gadgetries they've got, see what we can see how it can help me to improve the videos for you guys and for myself. So we're on a learning day, London XL, here we are. Photographer and video show. So here it is, this is where we're going to go. Have a look and see what's going on. So come with me as we explore together. Let's go. We're going to enter in, welcome. So there's quite a few people here. So today I've linked up with the man himself. So on the show, we just had a lovely little talk on the Sony stand, and really very informative. So I was looking at the camera to extend on my creative. I was looking at this one here, nice little camera. Come with us and let's go and let's see what we can see. Yeah. I'm just gonna just filming it now. Where did you want to go? Which one did you go at? Which one? Have a look around this show. Lots of people here, lots of camera enthusiasts, lots of professionals. This is it, this is the DJI. Everybody's looking at the drone. So this is a great show. There's a lot going on. Dji Mic. Look at this setup. And then we come to Canon. Yep. How cool is that?
It's long enough to but I think that's great. Yeah.
So we've got lightsabers. This is for the creative corners. Monfrottos, tripods, this is where it's at.
Oh yeah. I had a look to see if that. I don't know.
Some food here, but unfortunately it looks amazing, but we can't eat it. Is that right? Non-edible.
Actually, that view is not as flush as it looks quite flat. It's very
This is a little talk with all the content creators, everybody listening to this speech. This young lady is telling you all about what's going on. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that guy. The photography and video show, there's a lot going on, a lot to see, a lot happening. Lots of people, great day. Get down here and have a look. Yeah. So guys, that was a great ending to the show. Absolute great ending. Really thoroughly enjoyed it. I would recommend, if you don't get here this year, try and get here for next year. Come down, have a look at this show. It's really nice. There's a lot of products, a lot of stuff to see. Really, really great. So there it is, the show itself. There it is.